Hello ka-reels! For today's video, gagawa tayo ng tree arrangement by using two types of flowers. Yung anong flower po dyan? Yan po ay tinatawag nating Phalaenopsis cut flower. So yan po ay white color, dalawang stems. And then mag-add tayo ng one bunch of green amnimachus or 10 stem po ito. So gawin po nating both side ang paglagay ng arrangement para po maging balance ang itsura ng ating gift arrangement. So meron po siyang dyan gift na nakalagay. Yan po ay perfume. So yan po ay Jo Malone perfume. And then yung next, maglagay tayo ng fresh na moss sa bandang baba ng ating arrangement para po di pa makita yung green na foam sa ating tray. So this arrangement po ay colored with white and green only. So ganito lang po siya kasimple kasi gusto ng client is simplehan lang po yung ating arrangement. So ito po yung ating arrangement for today by using two types of flowers of white cut flower Phalaenopsis and green amnimachus. Hope you enjoy and thanks for watching!